Hi, I am Jennifer Claywell. I have your students in AP Calc this year. I am sad to not be there in person tonight to meet you guys, but excited to at least introduce myself in this way. I am originally from St. Louis, Missouri. From St. Louis, went to Purdue to study math education, and then after graduating from Purdue, have been in Indy since. So this is my 7th year of teaching and my 5th year here at Heron. Yeah, thankful to be a math teacher, thankful to be at Heron. AP Calculus is like my dream class content-wise to teach, so I'm just really excited to have your students this year. With that, I'm going to jump into a little bit of a normal class structure and then what we can do to be successful inside of class and outside of class. So a normal class will either begin with bell work or an IP/homework quiz. I'll go into that a little bit later. Once we've warmed up, we'll take notes as a class over like a section 1.2. I just use hypothetical section numbers, and then I'll have time to work on the 1.2 homework. So due next class is finishing any practice that you didn't get done. There's a key on Google Classroom for the homework and practice that you are expected, or students are expected to check their answers to in a different color. So utilize the key as you need and just use a different color whenever you needed to use it. And then you want to be ready for your IP quiz over that homework. So IP quizzes will be given at the beginning of each class. IP quizzes are a chance for students to show how the homework went for them and where they're at with it, and for me to see that. So you're allowed to use your homework on, or your IP on the IP quizzes, and usually it's a few multiple choice questions and maybe a free response question. And we'll do those for each section, and you get half your points from the quiz and half the points from your homework. So each section is worth about 10 points, 5 from the quiz, 5 from just completing the homework. So that is a normal class structure. Ways to be successful is in class, you be prepared with questions and have your IP checked to the key. So like come to class with your questions on the topics. I really want students to learn how to ask good questions and become vocal in that, and that preparing those before you come to class is helpful. And then during notes, ask questions as well. So as questions come up as we're going through notes, please ask those. Engage with peers. Some of the best learning happens with our peers, so I want students to become comfortable working with each other and engaging with each other. And then if they do have time to work, use it at work time well. So those are all things we can be doing during class to be successful. And then outside of class, attend office hours. So I have mine on Monday morning and Thursday after school. Utilize late passes, and be just asking questions and seeking out whatever resources they need. The last thing I'll say is students do need a graphing calculator. They are welcome to borrow one from me and fill out a rental form if they need that. And if I can help with that in any way, just let me know. I'm excited for this semester and year with your students. Let me know if you have any questions.